Okay, let's. This is the camfly. It comes with a receiver, a Bluetooth receiver, and a cable connected with camera. First, the battery. And then you can different camera use the different cable. This okay. The only okay. Then we press the Bluetooth button. You can see it will blink the blue LED. This is the iPhone 6. First you should enable the Bluetooth, then run the app. It will connect, auto connect. Okay, you can hold this receiver on the hot show. See the camera information. Yeah, you can see when you this is remote mode. Okay, this button, when you slide it down, you can see focus and shutter. Focus, shutter, focus, shutter, and that provide a bulb mode. To use this function, you must set the camera in bulb mode. Okay, then you can use bulb mode. It have a timer to tell you how long the exposure. Okay, and also you can, if you do not want to use the lock, you can just hold the button. It also will, timer will work. Okay, this is a simple remote. Let's change the camera back. Okay, and this is the timer. When you switch to the timer screen, you can see delay. First, the delay time. Delays means when you start shooting, the prepare time. For example, maybe I want to take some picture tonight, but this is afternoon, so I can set it several hours later, maybe 5 hours, just the time began run this program, so we can test it. Use 3 seconds. Okay, and the cycle is the number you want to take the picture quantity. Yes, let's say maybe maybe 10, and the focus is, different lens. Focus speed is different. Some lens is quick and some lens is very slow, so we prepare a focusing time for in some situation, maybe low light, the lens needs some time to focus, so we can just let it 0. Okay, exposure means the exposure time, but you can control this exposure time by this remote. But if your camera is not in bulb mode, so the exposure time is controlled by the shutter speed. So just set the exposure time is maybe 1 second. It's longer than the shutter speed. That's it now. And the interval time, I can say, for example, 2 seconds. Okay, it's a basic program. Delay 3 seconds and cycle 10 times. Cycle 10 times. Exposure 1 second. No, it's not 1 second. Exposure time is controlled by the camera. Yeah, the controlled by the camera. 1 second is just longer than it, and the interval time 2 seconds. AF, MF, autofocus or manual focus. If you use manual focus, you can switch this to MF. Let's use AF. If you use MF, you must switch to focus mode in lens or your camera. So let's run it and see. Remember this program: 3 seconds, 10 times, 1 second, interval 2 seconds. Okay, let's play. Okay, let's play the program. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in this time you can leave this app. Okay, no need to, and you can also close your phone or just and you can save this setting. Like for example 1. Okay, when you next time want to use the same setting, you can click this. This will fill the setting as you received. Okay, let's play it again. Maybe 20. Okay. When you run the program, the camfly will send the program to the receiver. So maybe you can close the app, and maybe you can turn off the power. Yeah, the program will run itself. In the remote mode, we have the focus lock. You can see the focus is locked. You cannot even press the focus button. It's no use because the focus is locked. So when you slide it to shutter, it will unlock the focus. Oh, by the way, you can use this receiver as a remote. Half press to focus and press down to take the shot. Yes, it's a cable remote.